Hey guys, welcome back again to our second video of the day of plane spotting at Dulles Airport. And thanks to my super brain that thought out the epic moves, we'll be spotting closer to the trees to see the planes closer, guys. Isn't that exciting? But now I have the fear that if any aircraft crashes, I'll pray. And you'll pray, of course. Anyways, let's get closer to the trees. My genius brain, I'm telling my genius brain, would have more of the idea. Isn't this awesome? Guys, we're coming. Oh wow, guys, I really am a genius. Subscribe, guys. I'm a sub genius. Nice, smooth and buttery landing. Sorry I didn't capture the United because the brightness of the sun kept me. That minuses my brain XP. Wait a minute. Guys, it's awesome. There you go. Guys, I'm a little bit of a genius, and maybe I was a little bit of a dummy for letting the sun brightness blow into our screen. Yeah. Anyways, I appreciate that. Even if I say that, you respect me. My mom's coming, guys. Oh, Mom, this is a genius idea to plane spot closer to the trees.
Well, actually, you can see them much better from up there.
Nah. Mama. Nee, I like here. I don't like that. I like plane spawning. Can I try a new life hack at least? Okay, I'll come back. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the excuse. I had to argue a little bit with my mom. Sorry that I had to argue with my mom. Okay, I'll come back. Sorry, guys. I need to get a little closer to the car. I'm trying a new hack. I saw a United 7. Can you please not rule me? Guys, my mom is being a little too pushy with me. Guys, I could just ignore my mom for now. Let's just not make this second video a whole setup to disaster. Alright, guys. Anyways, I don't blame you. It's not your fault. You're You're okay. It's a little bit of my fault. It's a little bit, the blame put it on me. Guys, we can see them from more closer. They have a first view. Like they go above us first. Guys. Where's ladies and gentlemen? One more. Where is it? Oh wow! The United plane with the Starline delivery came back, guys! It came back! Such a wonderful memory. Oh, such a wonderful memory, guys. We will save this memory forever. This will be our forever memory. She came back for us, guys. She came back for us. She butters. She butters. Yeah. Guys, wonderful, glorious moment. See, my mom doesn't even... She doesn't even know which view is the best. First, when the plane came out of the trees, I thought it was an A350. But then I looked closer. And then second, I thought it was plane the United livery again. But it was again the Starlines livery plane. The 767 in the Starlines livery. Again, coming back for us. After it took off, coming back to this airport. I wonder how many times we'll see her come back. Tidy. Guys, now the sun will be a problem. Now, most of it will postpone. Guys, like... Oof. Oh. Oof, guys. Oof. Oof. Some shadow. Guys, cross the borderline. Slow down the view. I mean, we could go in the trees, we'd see the planes coming right above. Have something. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a Learjet. Just Learjet. Oh, there are mosquitoes everywhere here, guys. Oh my god, guys, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Oh my god, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are everywhere. Mosquitoes. Mosquito. Mosquito. Thought it was gonna be a big plane, but and then to our surprise just came a Learjet. Average, but Atlantic. The next one, so I put it to 2.40x zoom. Yeah, I think so. Probably my last note. Guys, this is probably like our awesomest video. I get the plane spot from so close. I gotta watch for my parents' car not to leave. Without him stop me. Serious trouble. Okay, guys. This is awesome. I have an awesome feeling about this, guys. Ugh, mosquitoes everywhere. Guys, there are mosquitoes. Oh, there are flies everywhere. Ugh. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. There are flies everywhere. I will stop. We have something more special. Yep, we have a big plane. Like metal tubey sounds. It's big! Wow! I guess also that's a United 767. Or 757, should I say. Yep, that's a United 757. Yep, that should be. Zoom a little. Try not to wobble the screen. Oh, there's the smoke. This will be our second and final video of the day. Guys, I have a good feeling. Okay, we're wasting too much time on this one. Guys, this was awesome. This is our right. It's our right choice. Okay, the next one is the last one because we've done 11 minutes and 40 seconds of recording. Guys, we've accomplished so much. Give me way more. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. My parents should be in the car. I mean, I'm free. Mosquitoes everywhere. Flies. I should spank them away, but can't spank them away. Don't have no fly spanker. Yeah, I didn't bring a fly spanker. Like to spank flies. I'm using my hand to spank them. Like I feel the lights. Touch up the flies. Speaking of flies, I could feel them pushing on my hand. Guys, there are mosquitoes because there's like a lot of grass. Mosquitoes do live near forests, even in the forest. Well, yeah, sad but happy. Okay, this is our last one, guys. Do an early pause. That's Qatar Airways. That's Saudi. That's Saudi Airways. That's a Saudi 777. Yeah, that's actually a Saudi Airways 777. Subscribe! Wow, look at her. Wow. Butter. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And bye guys. See you tomorrow.